it's MarQue Vegan Crocker, and I'm back to let you see what's happened in the oven. Let's get our mitts. Remember, we were making vegan cornbread. So let's put on our trusty dusty powders. Now, I said that we started at 25 minutes, and then I winded up putting it on another 15 minutes, okay? So I'm gonna turn that timer off. It's buzzing to let us know it's ready. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at that. All right, now, when I was little, we used to have straws from the broom, and we'd stick it in there to see. If it came out, and it was clean, then you didn't have to worry, it was done. So I got a toothpick, and we're gonna just put it in the center, all the way down. Okay, I see a little bit of moisture, so I'm gonna put it in for another 15 minutes, okay? It looks really good. It's light, it can be browned a little bit more, but we're gonna put it in for another 15 minutes, okay? Set the timer. All right, we will be back.